You can get a lot of great, beautiful views in the city of Paris of the amazing skyline, but one of the best that's absolutely free is from the top of the Sacré-Cœur Basilica area. Welcome to the Europe Series 2022. I'm Eric B. from Travel Adventures with Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I'm a solo traveler and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficient. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. and today we're going to go check out one of the best views you're going to get in the city of Paris. We're going to go up high at Sacré-Cœur. Sacré-Cœur is a Roman Catholic church in Paris, which opened in 1914. The ground broke on it way back in 1875. Today I'm going to take you inside of it, but for the purpose of this video, for the most part, I'm going to show you the fact that you can go up to the top and get one of the absolute best views of Paris for free at Sacré-Cœur. But before we get to Sacré-Cœur, I'm going to tour a couple other places real quick on the day. I'm going to start off by taking the RERB, and I'm going to take it to Notre-Dame. Of course, the Cathedral of Notre-Dame has been closed since the horrific fire back in April 15th of 2019. President Emmanuel Macron plans to have the church back and running by 2024 in time for Paris to host the Olympics. Notre Dame has been known as the most famous Gothic cathedral of the Middle Ages. So later on in the day, I decided to take the M6 in my hostel from Nation all the way down to Charles de Gaulle at Troyes, get off there to see the Arc de Triomphe. Now, the Arc de Triomphe is another good way to get a great view of Paris from up high, such as the Sacré-Cœur. The difference, though, well, you'll see in the Sacré-Cœur that you can take the funicular up, but the Arc de Triomphe, you're going to have to walk up about 1,000 spiraling steps of stairs, so no thanks. I did not go up to the top of the Arc de Triomphe, but the Arc de Triomphe is must visit. It is absolutely beautiful. So you asked the question, what is the Arc de Triomphe? Well, it is one of the most famous monuments in Paris. It stands at the end of the Champs-Élysées, which is a very expensive street that me or you cannot afford to shop at. The Arc de Triomphe honors those who fought and died in France during wars such as the French Revolution. So those names are inscribed on the Arc de Triomphe. It is beautiful. You can see it from all over the city, and it's somewhere that you definitely must visit. It's one of the top attractions in all of Paris. All right, folks, so now we're going to take the M2 and we're going to get off on Anvers, and that's going to take us to Sacré-Cœur. Now, you can walk up a whole lot of stairs to get to the top, or you can take this funicular, which is going to cost you about a little over $2 in American dollars, or say a little over €2. It's the same price as a regular one-way metro trip. And the funicular will take you all the way to the top, where you'll have limited walking once you get that far up. Or if you want to go up all of those stairs and get the exercise, you go for it. I'm not. There are multiple levels of views as well. If you see, there's some views a little bit closer down. There's this street level view, and then way up to the top where the church itself is, and get a view from up there as well. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. I hope you're enjoying this summer 2022 Europe series. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace. And travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.